Hello, dear friends. I'm back. Today, I'd like to go through this RootMe room on the Tryhackme. And I think the difficulty level for this room is easy, but I think this room can showcase the whole process of the penetration from the reconnaissance to get initial foothold and finally to escalate privilege. Okay, without further ado, let's just get started. Of course, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. I do appreciate your help and support, which is very important for me to go on or continue this recording. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, I've already done the map scanning. And I put the options like scene scan, the virtual scan, and the default script scan. So from the map scanning results, as you can see, the two open ports. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service, and also the actual version information. As we know, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. And the second one is 80, which is running HTTP service, and also the actual version information, which is Apache 2. So I think from the map scanning, we can answer the first question without any problem. The first series, or the second task. So scan the machine. How many ports are open? Yeah, we know the answer. Yeah, which is correct. And what version of Apache is running? So from here we can get the version information. So we can put the version number. Let's submit. Yeah, it's correct. Answer is correct. So what service is running on port 22? Of course, we have already know that SSH service. And then find directories on the web server using the GoBuster. Yeah, GoBuster is my favorite tool when we do the web application immersion. And we can use the GoBuster. GoBuster. And the command is dir. It means the directory. And we can put the IP address of the target. And let's specify the word list. In this case, I'd like to use one of my favorite word list. Under the GoBuster directory, medium. And also I like to configure the extension options. PHP, TXT, back, HTML, SH. Let's hit enter. Yeah, we got the uploads directory and also the panel. I think now we need to open up our browser. So what is the hidden directory? It must be panel. Submit. And let's put the IP address. Also the hidden directory. Panel. Yeah, I think we can upload the file. And I think this is the entry or the point we can utilize. We need to upload the PHP reverse shell file onto the target, and we can download this reverse shell PHP file from the Pentest monkey or other places on the internet. I have already downloaded earlier. I think we can interrupt this process. As you can see, I have already downloaded the PHP, and we can PHP and rename this file to shell PHP, a much more simpler file name. But we need to modify this shell, the PHP code, that is, change the IP address to Kali Linux, or in this case is attack box, which provided by the Tryhackme. And the IP is, so what is 10.10.43.111. And also I'd like to change the port number to my favorite one, which is 555. And then we can write and quit. So we have already got the reverse shell PHP file ready, and then we can upload this file. We navigate to our working directory. Should be RootMe, and then we can open and upload. I think this is highlighted. The response is highlighted in red. So I cannot understand the meaning of this string or information. Maybe I think it must be error warning. So the PHP file is not allowed. And then we need to bypass this filtering, right? The very simple way to bypass the filtering mechanism is to change the extension. We can copy to PHTML. Okay, and now we can upload the file again and upload. I think now this information is in green. In other words, we uploaded the file correctly without problem. And I think from the direct immersion, we have already know that there is uploads directory, right? So our files shell.html must be in this directory. As you can see, it is. But before we access this file, we need to set up the listener first. The port number must be the same as what we configured in the reverse shell.php file. And then we can run. And as you can see, we got the collection from the target. And we can make it interactive. And we can use the Python import pty module and spawn method. Yeah, this command will help us to spawn a new bash shell. Yeah, no problem. And then we can list the content of this file. The directory. And then we need to do some local immersion. For example, we can go to the var directory and then go to the www directory, and there is the user flag. We can cut the content of this file, and we can copy this flag, and we can paste in the clipboard, and then we can copy from the clipboard into this the blank field, submit, which is correct. So now it's time to escalate or elevate our privilege. And the one of ways to do that is to find commands which have the SUID bit. And we just interested in file rather than directory. Okay, let's hit enter. Yeah, we got, yeah, this is very suspicious. So the Python has the SUID bit. So I think this one should be our answer. Python. Let's submit. So find a form to escalate a privilege. We can go to the website. Go to the Google. Maybe we can close. We just open another tab. Google. GTF opens. You know, this website is so wonderful when we do the privilege escalation. And then we can put the Python, go to SUID section directory, and we just copy this part and go back to our terminal. And then we can run Python, and we can paste in here. Let's hit enter. Yeah, as you can see from the banner, we have already become the root user. And then we can navigate to root directory, and we have already seen the root flag. Okay, so we can make a copy and paste in clipboard, and copy again and put in here. I think we have already completed all tasks. Okay, congratulations. So that's all I'd like to go through for this room, the RootMe room. I hope you can enjoy my video, my series of video, like VanHub, like Tryhackme. I think I will do this over and over again. See you the next video. Bye.